Hello, my sax playing friend Alexander Mathias here from saxophoneMasterclass.com. In this lesson, I want to give you a bunch of different pentatonic licks that you can use to improvise over almost any song. So I'm going to be playing to a backing track in order to show you all of these different pentatonic licks, and I'm going to be showing you on the alto sax. But if you play the tenor sax or the soprano sax, I have another backing track that you can use to start experimenting with these licks at the end of this lesson. You should be able to use the chapter markings below to find that backing track so you can start playing these licks with the same fingerings and the same notes on the tenor sax or soprano sax. If you play alto or baritone sax, you can play along to me as I'm playing the licks, but I also have a backing track without me playing that you can also play along to. So first things first, the notes that I'm going to be using are the notes of the C major pentatonic scale. And the notes of C major pentatonic are C, D, E, G, and A. And they're all the different notes we're going to be using when I'm showing you all these different pentatonic licks. Now let me show you where I'm going to be playing those notes on the saxophone. So I'm going to be using the notes of C major pentatonic in this range of the sax. We're going to have G, 3 fingers in the left hand, A, 2 fingers in the left hand, C, just that middle finger in the left hand, D, 3 fingers in the left, 3 fingers in the right with the octave key, and E, which is 3 fingers in the left, 2 fingers in the right, and the octave key. So the whole scale is going to sound like this. And they're all the notes that I'm going to be using with these pentatonic licks. So practice that scale in this range so you can start getting these licks easily. This is actually a bonus class for my saxophone improvisation challenge. If you haven't signed up, if you haven't checked it out, I have parts 1, 2, and 3 out right now. There's links in the description of this video. This is a great little challenge that's going to help you with improvising on saxophone, even if you have no prior experience. I'll give you tons of different tools for helping you to improvise, as well as show you how harmony and chords relate to improvising on the sax. It's all inside the saxophone improvisation challenge, and it's completely free. There's a link to the challenge in the description of this video as well. Now these licks are 2-bar phrases, and I'm going to be repeating them 4 times so you can really get it in your ear. Feel free to rewind at any point so you can listen to them again and again and try to play along with me if you play alto or baritone sax. You can also play along with me on tenor or soprano sax, but they're not going to sound the same notes. It'll sound more like a harmony to what I'm playing. But then you can practice those notes, those fingerings, to the backing track at the end of this video. Now you can download all of the licks I'm going to play for you along with the fingerings for free at saxophonemasterclass.com/pentatonic licks, and you can download the PDF so you can start working on these licks offline. Alright my friend, I really hope you like these licks, and let me know if any of them are helpful. I'm going to play them for you one by one, and then I'm going to give you the backing track at the end of this video for alto and baritone and tenor and soprano for you to practice these licks too as well. If you found this helpful, please like, please subscribe. I put lessons out every single week just like this. Alright, that's all the pentatonic licks I have for you today. Please let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Now I'm going to play for you the alto and baritone backing track. If you play tenor and baritone, you can skip ahead, use the chapter markings below, and you can use that backing track to play the exact same fingerings and the exact same notes.